Hello guys, hope you are doing well and you are following my channel in order to gain the tips and tricks of the Power BI. So today we are discussing about the different type of visuals we can use in our Power BI in order to enhance our dashboards and to enhance our reports. So what are the visuals today we have? Number one is card and the other one is KPI card. Where we are using the card? Here I have created already one sample uh, of each visual. Okay, you can see this is the card and this is the KPI visual. In card visual, you can easily show the sum up value of your overall performance. You can easily show the sum up of quantity. You can easily show the sum of your sales. Okay, and average of sales or minimum sales or the maximum sales, the total values you can easily display in this particular visual. Then KPI. What is KPI? KPI is the key performance indicator. Okay, most of the organization they are setting their KPIs in order to monitor their overall performance of the year, weekly, monthly, yearly, different through different types of reports. Also, what they are checking, what I am ahead or behind on, or how far ahead or behind am I. So our key performance indicator is a visual cue that communicates the amount of progress made towards a measurable goal. So most of the departments or in your organization, you already see that maybe CEO or the department manager he set the KPI that you have to bring like 800,000 sales in each month. So now the sales team target is 800,000 for that particular product, XYZ product. Okay, so now let's suppose they did total 14 sales and the total revenue of that particular sales is 20,000. So your KPI is 800,000. So now what's your manager they want to know? Your managers wants to know that where I am standing. I am far from the KPI. I am on the KPI. I already achieved the KPI or we are doing much more than our KPI. So first of all, the KPI should be realistic. Then second thing is that with the help of this Power BI visual or with the help of your dashboards, you can display multiple KPIs into a one single reports. So you can easily analyze the total value, whatever you achieve, the goal you already settled down at the start of the year and the variance or the percentage change. So your manager can easily analyze, okay, we are already in plus. We already did too much for this month or we already did too much for this year. So our next year target should be 9 lakh. Our next year target should be 10 lakh. So your goal should be realistic and with the help of this visuals, you can easily show all the particular performance in a single view without getting into the data. So let's start today. What are the things I have? I already create some visuals for your for the example. So it will be very easy to show you. Number one thing, card. We will start with the card. See, in this card, what I show, the total sum of quantity. Now I am taking the total sum of sales. So just select on the data. Okay. Here I have a field of sales. I already uploaded. So in my last video, I already explained you what are the common data sources are there in Power BI. How can you easily upload data with different type of sources? So we use in our previous video the Excel workbook. In my upcoming video, I will show you how to create Power BI dashboard with the help of web, with the help of SQL or different type of common data sources. So now moves towards the card. This is within single second I created the card. Okay. The visual. Okay. We have one more option like we will use this form of printer. So it will be very easy. Here it shows the total sales or the sum of the sales. Now I want to take the average of sales. So it can easily show you that 7,70,000 is the average of our sales on monthly basis. Okay, so your manager can easily analyze if they want to take any decision. Now we are moving towards the KPI, that this is the average sales. Now I want to know that we are achieving the target on monthly basis or no. So what I will do, I will just select on the KPI visual. I will select the total sales we did, the product should be in trend axis, and the target KPI. Now here you have an option of filter pan. Through filter pan, you will go into the product. Here we have a multiple values of all the product. Okay, that's why it shows you a bigger value. But our actual product in for which we are analyzing the sales is, let's say, chips. So unfortunately for the chips, we are far from products. You already it already shows you like 3,50,000 and our target is 700,000. So we are almost behind the target. Minus 50% is the variance we got from this particular chart. So you can see that how quick it give us an insight and how it is very easy to create. Now what we are doing, we are setting the condition formatting, or we are setting the formatting for this particular KPI. This is price, product. I will align it, and then what I will do, I will increase the font, then bold it. Now simply I will go. I already explained you about the effects and how to create the border and everything. So we will go into the trend axis. In trend axis, now you have option. Let's suppose you don't like this color. So you can select yellow color as a bad color, neutral as a purple color, and green as a good color. So I love this red color in a bad mode. Then I will select the orange for the neutral color. So this is my KPI already there. Now for the borders, where we will go into the effects, journal, then effects, open the visual border. Halas, it's already there. So let's suppose I am a manager. I will just put card and the KPI in my Power BI dashboard, and it shows me the inside of overall data. It shows me inside of overall organizations of that particular department. So you can use this chart and quickly prepare your reports. If you like the video, subscribe the video, and press the bell icon for getting the more tips and tricks of Power BI. Thank you.